In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and install free app called Magic Fluids from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now tap on this gear at the top left corner. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those options. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to click on bottom right one. Now choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only. So now when I close my app, I can see that wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!